Uber and Waymo case. That is a, yeah. So issue was, this is a directly the theft of technology. That was the issue. That was the, you can just go into details of that case. If you see the link in detail, that link, probably you will get more idea. Uh, Now, this argument, this particular issue actually, so it was settled with Uber agreeing no, not to incorporate Waymo's confidential information, because uh, in the court proceeding it was like found that yes, there are chances that Waymo's that confidential information theft has happened, and Uber agreed that they will not use that. That is accepted, or that is agreed upon. That was the case actually. Okay, so that was that employee mobility or anti-competitive, that I have just told you, no, that employee cannot join the competitor at least 3 or 5 years. So such cautions now organizations are taking if their employees are involved. Generally, that caution is taken, especially emerging technologies are there and a lot of trade secret is there.